And welcome back to NewHavenChargers.com, where the New Haven men's soccer team has closed out a 3-0 victory on visiting Holy Family, joined at this time by junior Guy DeSantos, who had a goal in today's match. And Guy, how does it feel to get win number 1 out of the way?
It feels good. It feels the big weight is off our chest. We've worked all preseason, all season for this, and progressively we've gotten better and better. So to finally see the results pay off in a game is really helpful.
And on Thursday against Malloy, you guys were right there. You scored late, and then there were some additional chances near the end to tie it up that just didn't materialize. What was different about today? What did the team work on over the last couple days, and how did it feel out there today that was able to push you guys to victory?
Coach Roy, we watched film. We discussed how we were lacking in that final third, and Coach Roy helped us address that in the last few practices. And today we were just hungrier. We just wanted it more, and it showed in the result.
Guy DeSantos, thank you for joining us. Good luck the rest of the way.
No problem. Thank you.